let limit is x is equal to a to b and y limit is f of x to some g of x. Okay. So take an example, evaluate integration 0 to 1 and 0 to x, x plus y dy dx. Now you can, it is not given that which one is the limit of x and which one is the limit of y. So easily we can recognize that this I is equal to the constant one is the x kilometer and the in variable one is y kilometer because y किसका function है? It is the function of x. Okay, so we will put x plus y dy dx. Now we cannot interchange the limit. We have to first solve the variable limit and then that constant limit. So here is the variable limit is y 0 to x because the y is the function of it. So it is in terms of variable. So this is called variable limit. Okay. So in this case, firstly I will solve this y limit. Y is equal to 0 to x, x plus y dy and then sorry and then so sorry beta. Oh, this is dy and then limit of dx. Okay, so since I is equal to, we have already put it, x is equal to 0 to 1 and again I'm writing y is equal to 0 to x, x plus y dy and then dx. Now solve this limit, x is equal to 0 to 1 and we can solve y is equal to 0 to x, x dy plus y is equal to 0 to x, y dy dx. Okay, so solve one by one, x is equal to 0 to 1. This again x is a constant, so we are taking this outside. Y is equal to 0 to x dy and here y is the function of y, so its limit is y square by 2 with the integration 0 to x and then whole ka x. Okay, and solve this limit, x is equal to 0 to 1. Now this x, if one ka limit is y with the limit value 0 to x 1 by 2, you can take common and then put upper limit minus lower limit. The integration will solve. Okay, and then x is equal to 0 to 1. Here x or upper limit is x minus 0 less 1 by 2 x square, because x square minus 0 is x square. Solve x is equal to 0 to 1 and this x minus 0 is x, so x square plus x square by 2 whole ka dx. This is x square plus x square by 2. We can write 3 by 2 x square dx. Okay, now we can take this 3 by 2 common and 0 to 1 x square dx. So by using the formula x to the power n, we can easily solve this. So x square is x to the power 3 by 3, 0 to 1. Okay, now we will take common 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 and put the limit which is 1 minus 0. Upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0 to 1 ka power 3 is 1 and 0 is 0. So and they are cancel out. So answer is 1 by. Okay. And there is a question for the practice as always. So question is evaluate 0 to 1 and 0 to x square plus y square dy dx, just like previous one. Okay. Okay. Now the second, now the third type is when x is in terms of y and y limit is some constant a to b ले लो. Okay. So in this case I assume that I is equal to y to a to b. Firstly we have to solve this limit gy fy, gy fy you can put out fy gy, both are same thing. Xy, first solve dx and then dy. Okay, that means x is, sorry, y is equal to a to b, and then we solve x is equal to g of y to f of y, f of x comma y. Firstly solve the variable limit dx and then dy. Okay, so let's try, we will try a problem. Evaluate 0 to 1 and there is a limit 0 to y with the function xy dx dy. Okay, now again the limit is not given, but we know that if the limit is not given, what we will do, just find the limit by ourselves. So I is equal to here, this is the y limit because it's a constant, and this function is in terms of y here, so it will be the limit of x, xy dx then dy. So first we have to solve variable limit, that means x is equal to 0 to y, x y dx and then dy. Since we are solving x limit, so y will be constant, we can take outside and we will solve simply x limit 0 to 1 x dx and dy. Okay, and this 0 to 1 is, this limit is already we have done this, x square by 2 and 0 to, oh sorry, this is y na, y and then dy. Okay, so value is 1 by 2 we can take common because it's a constant, 0 to 1 y, after putting the limit it will be y square minus 0 upper limit minus lower limit, y square minus 0 is y square, so the complete, sorry, so the complete function is y ka power 3 dy. Okay, and this y ka power 3 we can easily solve by the y to the power n wala formula, which is y to the power 4 by 4, 0 to 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1, and this limit is 1 minus 0 because 1 ka power 4 is 1 ही होगा, which is equal to 1 by 8. And this is the answer. The same you will do a practice. Evaluate y is equal to 0 to 2 and x is equal to 0 to y by 2, and this will be 2x plus y dx. This is for practice. Okay, so for today lecture it is sufficient. Okay, next I'll come with the different topic. Okay, thank you. So in this lecture I will teach you how to deal with the